guys, welcome back to my channel. This evening I am going to be showing you how I use my Derma Roller. I got it at Winners. I think it was like $8 or $9. I should be using it more often because I do find that it does give the skin a nice youthful glow to it when I wake up in the morning. I definitely see well, might all be in my mind, but I feel like I see a subtle difference to the skin. So first, I'm just gonna start off by washing my face with my Clean and Clear Essential Foaming Facial Cleanser. Removes pore, clogging dirt, oil, and makeup without over drying. My skin tends to get a little bit on the drier side. So first off, I am going to go and wash my face. If you guys haven't already, it would be absolutely wonderful, amazing, great, fabulous if you could subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to see how I use my Derma Roller, then just keep watching. Alright, I am fresh faced and cleaned up. Before I start, I am just gonna go over my skin with the Deep Clean Purifying Micellar Cleansing Water by Neutrogena, and just gonna give a little FYI. I'm not a professional, and this is just how I use my Derma Roller, so I'm not like the know-it-all on this. I'm just gonna show you how I do mine. So just let that dry. And so the way I use mine is I just like to start on the cheeks and just kind of bring it out towards the ear. It should not hurt. If it does hurt, you are pressing too hard. Just kind of feels like little tiny cat scratches. So I just go over the face a few times like that, and then sometimes I'll just bring it up, always going outwards. Up on my chin. Anything that claims to be anti-aging, youthful, whatever, I am down for. So just go over my forehead. I'm just gonna go across. All right, so that was about a minute, I would say. And then to clean this, after each use, I will go in and I will pour rubbing alcohol in this little piece. This is what I store it in, and just let it dry with the top off like that. So now I am going to go in with my Image hyaluronic acid. Yeah, hyaluronic filler. Yeah, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic gunner, potato, tomato. I almost screwed that up. And I'm just gonna go over the skin, and it's just gonna help absorb the product into the skin so much better. You just have a nice, just subtle flushness to the skin. Nothing more than that. So you shouldn't. And now I'm going to go in with the bioelements Age Activist Clinical Youth Serum with clinical strength retinol, peptides, CQ10, and fermented pumpkin. And I use this every night. Just gently pat it into the skin. Let that dry in, and then over that I am going to go in with my Vital C Hydrating Repair Cream. All right, that should do it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you had any curiosity about how the Derma Roller worked, I am having speech problems tonight. Maybe I am just tired. It is summer, it has been hot, the kids are off from school, late nights, so maybe I'm just tired, but yes, that is how it works. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon.